So hi everyone, today it's another of the episode of For the Month for You. So we are in Zurich still, and we are with another of the teams that we have here, like an IT team. So Andrej is here, you're the manager of the team, right?
Yeah, I'm the team lead, which is basically first line manager, let's say, of the team. Plus some other roles I do on top of this, or basically the manager is on top of other roles.
Okay. So, but what's your team doing?
So basically, most of the people are highly specialized IT professionals. It ranges from project managers, developers, operations specialists, focusing, for instance, on monitoring, application support, and reporting specialist. I would call it.
IT professional means that they are providing support for the internal functions or for the clients?
Yeah, that's true. For the internal functions, most of them, if not all, are working for commercial insurance applications. And to explain what commercial insurance is inside of Zurich, it's basically imagine Nestle. It comes to Zurich and they want insurance for all the countries they are in. And this kind of business is called commercial insurance. And there are about more than 100 applications like this in Zurich. And there are also countries that are pure commercial insurance countries. So there is no private insurance. And for those countries, I especially work for those countries as a project manager. So that's my other role as a project manager. And these countries are especially in Europe, Belgium, Netherlands, those that we support. Those are Belgium, Netherlands, France, all the Nordic countries, South Africa, and then Russia. So they are pure commercial insurance countries for now. Maybe in the past it was a little bit differently, that they were offering private insurance as well, but right now they are only basically serving or insuring the customers like Nestle, like Volkswagen.
So in this case, it's to the business to business, like to other business and providing insurance. And you are responsible for driving the whole project, or
no? Basically, what I do as a project manager are projects for the countries. Plus, in my team, there are also projects for the applications. So we have another project managers. They are taking care of upgrade of Windows on the servers that the applications use. A very interesting example from last year, which was quite demanding, was rollout of Windows 10 in these countries. So Zurich is moving to Windows 10. Started to move just last year, finishing up this and next year. And these countries I work for were the first in Zurich, one of the first in Zurich to move to Windows 10.
Okay. But it's basically not only Bratislava, but you take care of also the migration.
I don't provide any IT project management services, or how to call it, for Bratislava, but for all of these 8 or 9 countries.
Okay. So from here you support outside.
Correct.
And your software developers are kind of creating new software for internal use?
So usually the applications already existed, or they are being upgraded, or there is no new functionality being added, and the developers are working with bigger teams outside of Bratislava. There is a big center in Barcelona for Zurich, which is specializing especially on the IT services, to say. It's a partner center to the one here in Bratislava, and usually, some of the developers are working within larger teams from other countries, Switzerland, Barcelona, and for instance, some team members are working as part of Belgian development team. There is a small group of developers in Belgium. And actually, this is quite interesting story. So we have one team member that was working here with the Belgian development team. Then he decided to move to Belgium for a year, and then he moved back. And he's still doing what he was doing from the beginning, but he was able to live in Belgium for 1 year, then move back and still be able to work as he would be. So he experienced the on-site team plus the remote teams. So it's quite interesting that such opportunities are here in Zurich.
Yeah, that's also good to know that you're not a second-class employee if you're in Bratislava, but you are like part of the whole corporation normally, right?
Yeah.
And and I'm saying this because not many folks really realize that, right? There is still this kind of stereotype where Bratislava is different. It's just a service center, a call center, stuff like that, and it's not like this. Anytime we have an interview, there are amazing jobs or amazing fun opportunities that everybody can have. What else your team is doing?
What
else
what else? Basically, this is all what we are doing. So we are providing some kind of IT services to the countries or the applications, and there is really nothing else within my team that we were doing.
Okay, and what is perhaps if we are in a career for you portal here, right? So to share the idea that there is always a career for any student or anyone that might want to try or to go in many BSc companies like Zurich. So what are perhaps the skills that are needed for your folks?
So usually most of the team members are already experienced. Let's say project managers are certified, experienced. So most of the team members have this kind of background in my team, and at the same time, we really need also some junior positions. But right now, most of the people are working on projects, and they need specialized skills. So let's say reporting. We are using the Click environment for reporting, and it's something that it might not be used, for instance, like in big companies like other business services centers. But in some, it might be used. So some people are coming from the other business services center companies where they gain the skills, they got certification, and they were able to move with the highly specialized skills and experience into our team.
Okay. But in case I don't have those specifications, can I find some training as well within Zurich?
So I believe there is some kind of IT academy that Zurich is hosting. I believe it's for IT. I'm not really sure. I'm not really involved in it, but Zurich is also helping students to gain some technical knowledge, and sometimes the people from the IT team are taking part in this education sessions for the students.
Cool. And the last question that just asked also last time is why your team is the best team in Zurich. Like, you have all the option to give valuable reason for that, right?
So sometimes it's really depending what we are doing, but at the same time, it's the high skilled, experienced people that we have. They still find good challenges within our team, and they can still grow. And there is also opportunity to experience the work abroad.
Okay. Thank you so much for sharing, Andrej.
No problem.
Thank you for watching. As well, always comment, share, do what you want or what things for you is the best thing to do. Particularly if you have questions, right? Ask, because that's why we're here. Not only for shouting videos to the world, but also to get a bit of mutual conversation on this, right? Because this might require as well more information or something else. Me, Andrej, and whoever from Zurich or from the BSCF, we're here for that. So thank you for watching, and see you to the next video.